Okay, in this video we're going to take a number and break it down into its prime factors and try to at least, and then say whether it's a prime number or a composite number. Okay, so we'll do these examples here all the way to the number 17. So let's start with 25, and I guess what a lot of people like to do is just kind of do a little tree like that, but 25 is what times what? What goes into 25? Is it 5 times 5, right? Okay. So basically 25 is 5 times 5, so the prime factors, I'll write it, we'll just write like, okay, 5 times 5, right? Now, this is not a prime number, it's actually a composite number because it can be broken down into something other than just 25 times 1. If you could just make it write it as 25 times 1, then it would be a prime number. Okay. So let's look at 29. How can we break 29 down? What goes into 29? Well, 2 won't go in because this is an odd number at the end here, isn't it? 3 doesn't go in. Does 4 go into that? No. 5 doesn't go in because it doesn't end in a 5 or a 0, right? 6 go in there. 7, 8, 9, 10. No. So basically this is a prime number because the most we can split it up into is simply 29 times 1. So I mean the only prime factors we have here are 29 times 1. So this is in fact a prime number, not a composite number. So a number is either prime or composite, one or the other, right? Put an or there to minus to that. Okay, so if you take 16, break 16 down as far as you can. Well, first of all, 16 is 4 times 4, isn't it? And can't you break that down further? Okay, so we're going to break this down into its prime factors. So this 4 here, you see, is 2 times 2, isn't it? Right? And you can break this 4 down as well. To be what? 2 times 2? Right? So the number 16 can be broken down to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And these are the prime factors of 16. So we'll just write it in a list like this. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And is this a prime number? Certainly not, because it can be broken down into something other than just 16 times 1. If that's the best we could have done, then it's a prime number. But it can be rid of this, so this is in fact a composite number, right? Okay, how about 31? See if you can figure out 31. So you can press, if you want time, you can just press pause on the video and figure it out. And then I'll do it. Okay, so 31 is, does 3 go into it? No, because 3 into 3 goes once, and then 3 into 1 doesn't go. So does 2 go in? 2 doesn't go in because that's odd. 4 doesn't go in there. 5, no, because it doesn't end in a 5 or a 0. 6, 7, 8, no. So 31, of course, is just, can only be written 31 times 1. That's the best we can do. So the prime factors of that would be just 31 times 1. That's all you can do with it. It is in fact a prime number. It's not a composite number, right? Okay, so break 12 down into its prime factors. So break it down as far as you can get it. Okay, so 12 is 4 times 3, but can you break 4 down now? Well, 4 is 2 times 2, isn't it? So 12 can be broken down to be 2 times 2 times 3, basically, right? So 2 times 2 times 3, and that's the prime factors of 12. Is it a prime number or a composite number? It can be composed of different numbers, so it is in fact a composite number. Okay, press pause and do 28. Break 28 down to its prime factors. Okay, now I'll try it. 28 is 7 times what? 7 goes in there, doesn't it? You might know your times tables, hopefully. 7 times 4, right? And 4 is 2 times 2. So 28 can be written 7 times 4 or 7 times 2 times 2, right? 7 times 2 is 14, 14 times 2 is 28. Right? And is it prime or composite? It is indeed composite, right? So let's do these guys. 310, 102, 294, and 17 is the end. Yay. So we'll start with 310. Now, I don't know what you want to do first, but I mean, you might think, well, 2 goes into that thing, right? Because it's an even number. So if you did that, you do a little bit of kind of long division. But 2 into 3, you see, goes once, remainder 1, right? Then you go 2 into 11. What's 2 into 11? Well, 2 into 10, you see, goes 5 times, so that's 5, remainder 1, right? And now 2 into 10 goes 5 times, right? So 310 is in fact 2 times 155. I'm sure we can split the 155 up into a couple of factors anyway. So 155, what goes into that, do you think? Take a guess. Well, the number ends in a 5. So if the number ends in a 5, you'd probably say 5 goes into it, right? So we'll try that. 5 into that, right? And you just ignore, just start with 5 into 1 won't go, but 5 into 15. How about that? 5 into 15? 3 times, and 5 into 5? Once, right? So 155 is, of course, 5 times 31. And can we split 31 up? Well, we've seen that earlier, didn't we? So 31 is prime number, so we can't split this up any further. So 310 is, in fact, 2 times 5 times 31, right? So the prime factors are 2 times 5 times 31. Is it a prime number or a composite number? Composite. Alright. So press pause and see if you can work on 102, or I'll do it with you, whichever. Okay. So you can either press pause and then skip the video ahead and check your answer with me, or you can work along with me, whichever. 102. What should we try? Should we try 2 into that? Because it's even, isn't it? So let's see. 2 into 1 won't go. 2 into 10 though. 2 into 10 is 5 times, isn't it? And then 2 into 2 goes once. So we've got 2 times 51. Now can you split 51 up? And you might think no, but the answer is that is a, you can split that up. It is a composite number. Where are you going to figure out goes into 51? I guess one trick is, well, 2 won't go in because it's odd. But try 3. I mean, you never know. Just have a go with 3, and then try 4 into it, and then try 5 into it and stuff. So you just keep start with 2 into that, 3 into that, 4 into that, 5 into that. Just keep trying. Sorry, 2 into it, 3 into it, 4 into it, 5 into it, 6, and so on. Just keep trying until you find something. But try 3 into 51. See what happens. 3 into 5 goes 1 time remainder 2. What's 3 into 21 now? 3 into 21? Isn't that 7? Yep. So 51 is 3 times 17. And can we split 17 up into anything? See if you can split up 17. Is that going to work? 2 doesn't go into it. 3 doesn't go into it. 4, does 4 go into it? Does 5 go into 17? Does 6 go into 17? Does 7 go into 17? Does 8 go into 17? Does 9 go into 17? 10, 11, 12? No, that's not going to work, right? So 17 is prime. So we've got 102 can be written 2 times 51 or 2 times 3 times 17, right? Alrighty. So is it prime or composite? It is definitely composite because it was split up, right? And let's try 294. You can press pause and do it yourself. And then just skip the video ahead and check your answer, or you can do it slowly with me, whichever you prefer. So what does 294 split up to be? Well, it's an even number, right? So we might try to divide 2 in there. How about that? So see if you can divide 2 into 294. So 2 into 2 goes 1 time. 2 into 9 goes 4 times. Remainder what? Remainder 1. And what's 2 to 14? 2 times what gives 14? 2 to 14 is 7. So we get 2 times 147. Now you might think that is an prime number, but you never know for sure. Just see what might go into it. Okay, so you got 147. Now you know 2 won't go into that because it's a odd number. But can you try 3? See if 3 works? Just for fun, you never know. Three into 14 goes 4 times. Remainder what? Okay, so might have got 3 into 14 is 4 times, and you might have got remainder 2, right? And then you've got 3 into 27. What's 3 into 27? It's 9, isn't it? Right? So 147 becomes 3 times 49. Now, we know we can't split 3 up, but can we split 49 up? 49 is 7 times tables. 7 sevens, right? 7 times 7? Yep. So 2 times 3 times 7 times 7 will give you 294, right? 2 times 3 times 7 times 7. Alright. And of course, that can also be written, for fun, you can write that as 2 times 3 times 7 squared. Okay, 7 squared, just for fun, if you wanted to. And this one here, where you have, you know, you can also put squares into some of these other answers if you wanted to. Let's see, so this one could be written 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, to the power of 4, okay? This one could have been written as 2 times 2, 2 squared times 3, right? 7 times 2 times 2 could have been written 7 times 2 squared, right? I think that's them all covered. So, and this course is a composite number. So that's that. And how about 17? Well, 17 is a prime number. It can only be written 17 times 1. That's the best you can do. And that's that.